I'd say you found the chicken line.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's Christmas for having chicken. Yay. He's excited.
Yeah, we got breakfast food. We got a chicken biscuit and egg.
He's not following the rules at all. We're only eating at every place once.
Get out of yourself. I'm gonna live here.
Are you gonna go on and on about chicken?
We're getting close to the chicken. So excited. It's gonna be amazing.
I'm eating on pickles.
It's a sin against
It's
chicken.
not a sin against chicken.
Pickles on chicken.
Well, this woman's smart. She's got a frickin' pan.
Perfectly good chicken with pickles.
I like pickles. Can you dig it? Oh, he's in love. You like it?
Oh wow.
So I also brought some potato salad. Fox doesn't like potato salad, but I like potato salad. Need pepper. I'm like the pepper queen. And the pepper on the boat, they put like cayenne in it too. Oh my god. I love it! Down Miss Polly and her cute little headband. Oh, that is a crazy jacket. I love it. Leopard print sequin. Here comes Fox, and of course he has beer. Are you kidding me? Oh, I see your priorities.
It's a carnival.
Oh, the carnival, my Woo.
I gotta punch big.
Okay. You get to look at a tree. You see the gift around the table? So recognized. So much to recognize. Yeah.
You all out. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, please. Because like you're dancing and stuff. So,
Yeah, let me know.
that's her.
Yes. That doesn't look like that.
Oh my god! Artistry, I love it.
She did her best herself. Like,
Oh my god, my hair is just nuts. How'd you
Good. We'll probably finish one of them before the show starts.
do? Oh my god.
doesn't see. She doesn't see. She doesn't see.
Thanks so much for watching Phauxe and Krystal explore Jubilee for the inauguration cruise of December 23rd until December 30th of 2023. We had an amazing time and we can't wait to share our journey with you. Thanks for watching and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!